am going to an event at the 90 Acres Cooking School. I think we're in Papac, New Jersey. It's a fall night, and I'm looking forward to this event because it's at the cooking school, so I just assumed that there's going to be really good food involved. I'll report back to you later on what else goes on tonight. See you later. Hey everyone, I'm back at the hotel. I wanted to do more recording at the 90 Acres Culinary Center, but it was getting difficult because we were wrapping things up so quickly and we had to get going. But I just wanted to recap everything that happened at tonight's event. I was invited by the Fort Lauderdale Convention and Visitors Bureau to attend this cooking class that was held by the 90 Acres Culinary Center. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the actual interactive cooking class where we actually make our dishes. So instead, they had the chef make the dishes in front of us, and we were set up to, face her while she was making her dishes. She explained her process and her recipe, and we were free to ask questions. And then when the dish was done, then she served it to us, and it was okay. It was actually more than okay. I was really happy that I didn't have to stand because I wore heels today. I wore heels for this event. I don't, it's been a while, right? I wanted to dress up. Anyway, so this was the event, and it was actually sponsored by Kilbeggan Irish Whiskey. I'm used to more of the Scottish whiskey, so this for me was a nice primer. So this is the brochure that they gave us, and it included recipes in here. So I tried to indicate what dishes we had, and everything was fantastic. I did not know that you could make such things with Irish whiskey or whiskey in general, so it was a nice surprise, and it was definitely good company too. I got to meet some people who are fellow planners, and I will probably keep in touch with them because it's a good thing to do these days. I think we're all in this we're all facing challenges these days, and so it's nice to talk to other planners from other companies to find out what worked for them and what didn't, and just to share these ideas, because somehow we all need to succeed, and it's better if we succeed together. What else? Yeah, but overall it was a great class. The property itself is fantastic. I will probably try to go there again to specifically eat at the restaurant side of 90 Acres. I found out that it's actually open. Unfortunately, I couldn't go over there because it would be weird to take pictures and video of everybody eating, but they are open. I saw that they had outdoor seating available, and I was told that they also have open the seating indoors. On top of that, there's also just across the way there is a building called the Mansion, and I believe that that is the event venue. I have heard that they've done food festivals there, and it makes sense because it's the sprawling hills of green, and especially this time of year when it's fall, you see all the leaves turning. It was just overall a great experience, and well, it's an overall great space, and I invite you to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. The weather today was really crisp, and it was perfect harvest weather, and it matched so well with our dinner tonight, and the whiskey helped. I'm not gonna lie. It was just nicely organized. It was very intimate, which was great, and at the end of the event, we received a few gifts from Kilbeggan Irish Whiskey, just like, you know, little things, but it was a nice touch to end the evening, along with some good old Irish coffee. So yes, I really enjoyed this experience at the 90 Acres Culinary Center, and again, I want to thank the Fort Lauderdale Convention and Visitors Bureau for inviting me to this event. I had a great time. Not only with the event itself, with dinner, and with networking with my peers. So that's all I've got for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!